We're at the homie Stevens. On his rear-wheel drive Fozzie out here. Greetings. So far, missed out on a bunch of shit because I have not been filming, but he's got no front axles, spoolie boy, got the external wastegate, got the Bluetooth ground wire, got a little bit of leaks going on. One over here. Got the STI Brembos. Pulling the center apart right now. There's good old shifter linkage. Got that fresh in my mind. Got to pull that apart. Show you what we got going on right here. Ow, dirt straight in my eye. But right here, we got the shifter linkage coming out. But of course, the collection plate that's normally over the fucking flywheel down here is gone.
The oil collection plate?
The oil collection plate that normally collects like the rear main seal drips and shit like that.
Oh, I just like don't even have it.
Yeah, it's not there.
They probably never had it.
You got oil dripping out of your timing belt cover, so like front fucking cam seals. And then it looks like there's oil squirting out of this side of the heads too.
This side what?
The heads, passenger and driver. And then your timing cover is just like squirting oil too.
Steve, I think you got fucked. Yeah. It's not until you guys drive it until it doesn't drive.
And your power steering lines are leaking.
It's leaking?
Yeah.
Like real good?
Yeah, pretty
Can
good.
we tighten it up or no?
I think it was just overfilled and overpressurized.
It sounds about right. It sounds like I'm about to do something.
And then it looks like there's something. Oh, those are your power steering lines too.
Do you see anything by the turbo that looks like fluid leaking?
It all looks like power steering lines. Alright boys, so I accidentally got the shifter linkage tool stuck in there, so I have to get this frame off to get the whole assembly out anyway. But I also need to use this to pry and push down the tool to get the tool back out. So I'm taking out these top bolts. And the funny thing is, he bought a short shifter, and this is literally already a short shifter. So looks like he's just gonna return that. I'm gonna slap new bushings on it for him, and we can get her on the road again. Like no slack.
See the metal on the inside? It gets so hot, and the rubber doesn't get as hot, and then it just shuts itself right off.
It'll go over the end of it. Well, got the shifter linkage out. Stabbed the fuck out of my hand. Company 23's tool didn't really help too much, but that shit's done. Fucking man. Steven shit spin. Now hopefully I can buy this up pipe and all this shit. Throw it on the leggy.